In this video, we'll discuss how to get free information on medical assistant schools. Now, medical assistants perform a wide variety of functions, including checking patients' vital signs and collecting samples, preparing instruments and rooms for physicians, providing basic support during exams and procedures, scheduling and confirming appointments, and completing and submitting insurance forms. Now, there are basically two options available to receive a formal education to become a medical assistant. The first is the certificate or diploma program, which provides the quickest path to become a medical assistant. They generally take about a year to complete, although some are as short as 6 to 9 months, and they teach the fundamentals of medical assisting for entry-level positions. Also, there is the associate degree program, which generally takes 2 years to complete and is more comprehensive in nature than the certificate program. It includes general education courses in addition to medical assisting. Clinical training involving internships are also quite common. Not as available is the bachelor degree in medical assistant studies, and it generally takes about 4 years of studies to complete. Now, some of the questions to ask medical assistant schools are, first of all, is their program accredited? Accreditation is quite important to ensure that you will receive a quality education. Also, if you plan on becoming certified and obtaining the CMA or Certified Medical Assistant designation, it'll be important that the program is certified by a certifying organization such as the Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools or the Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education Programs. Also, if you plan on applying for a student loan or financial aid, most programs do require that the program is accredited. And finally, it is very helpful when you're applying for your first position if the program and school that you graduated from is an accredited program or institution. Next, what is the program certification passing rate? Well, we just mentioned certification, and many of the schools, particularly if they're accredited, design their courses so that it is, well, basically designed to help the student pass the certification exam requirements. So find out from the school that you'll be attending, what is their success rate of their students that are taking the certification examinations. Obviously, you'll want to attend a program where the majority of their students pass the certification exam. Next, which program is offered? We also mentioned previously that there are a couple of avenues towards getting the education to become a medical assistant, either through a diploma or a associate degree program. So depending on which program you have decided to enroll in, make sure that the institution that you're applying to does offer that particular program. We mentioned that quite often there is a clinical a portion of the program that is required, particularly with the associate degree program. And find out from the school if internship programs are sponsored or provided as part of the curriculum. A great way to get clinical experience and even hands-on experience outside of the classroom is through an internship program. So find out if the school, again, provides or sponsors them. Is job placement assistance provided? As soon as you graduate, you're no doubt going to want to start your career as a medical assistant as soon as possible. And it's quite difficult to find a position without assistance and without any prior experience if you have none in the field. So it's quite important, actually vitally important, that the school and program that you enroll in has a job placement assistance program to help you get that first position. Next, how large are the classes? Find out how many students that the typical class has for the program you'll be enrolled in, or what is the student to teacher ratio. The smaller the class, the smaller the ratio of students to teacher means the more hands-on or one-on-one personal instruction you will receive, and can be quite important, particularly when you're entering a new field. And finally, are class times available to fit your schedule? This is particularly important if you plan to work either full or part-time while you are attending classes, or if you have some other obligations that you need to schedule your classes around. If you need to attend night school or even weekend classes, make sure those are available. The bottom line is you want to make sure that there will be nothing that will impede you from attending classes because the class schedule is going to meet your needs. Finally, you can request free information on medical assistance schools right from this website. Now, if you're not currently on our website, you can scroll below this video and you'll find a link to our website where you can fill out some information and get some quick free information on medical assistance schools in your area. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started on your career as a medical assistant and request your free information now.